The address is www.kidneycare-academy.com. Okay. So
mm,
moment you enter in any your browser, as I
mm,
am already signed up, it will take
mm,
me to my dashboard. Those who are
mm,
not signed up, for them,
mm,
it will take them to a new sign up form where he has to put his personal detail. For example, name, email address, phone number,
mm.
and these are the things that are required. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
So once you have created your username and password, make your username as you like and password whatever you like. Just save that thing. And with that username and password, you can, whenever you enter in this same software, you will come to this screen where at the left hand side corner, there are dashboard, know your potassium content from the common foods or food items,
Mm,
edit or add recipe, my daily dietary potassium intake tracker, view reports, learning videos, knowledge
mm,
corners, and contact us. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 tab will be visible. It is accessible from your mobile, accessible from
mm,
your laptop. Is it clear? Just raise your hand. If it is clear, raise your
mm,
hand.
mm,
Okay.
mm,
So now one by one, I will explain in each part of this tab how you should go through and work through and how you utilize these tabs. Okay. So moment you are in the dashboard, you can see there is a one slider is running, which is showing all our different program. For example, those who are willing to exercise to improve their lung health, then boost your lung health. This is here. Anywhere if you can click, it will take you to the respective site where you can join. I know a lot of people are here. They have already joined in the Art of Living with Diabetes or lung health program. So this will help. Now, just coming down in this dashboard, once you scroll down, you will see there is a screen which is showing summary of your daily potassium intake. Summary of your daily potassium intake means I'll coming later on in the later part where you can understand this is at a glance view in any given date how much potassium you have consumed through your diet. To know that thing, you need to provide your
mm,
data. For example, you want to understand maybe today is a Wednesday. In Wednesday, how much potassium you have consumed. So what you need to do, you need
mm,
to add all the food you have eaten in the entire day. I'm coming to that slowly, one by one, step by step, so that you can understand everything. There should not be any confusion. So just try to understand what are the things available here. So this area in
mm,
the dashboard will show you how much potassium you are consuming in a given day. Okay, so here,
mm,
for example, I have entered 1 or 2 days data. For example, in Wednesday, Friday, that is 26th January, 15th January, 11th January, this much was my potassium intake.
mm,
Now, you will notice that there are three color code. One is green, which
mm,
mention low. Then there is a yellow, which mention moderate. Or there is another in the red, which means high. So you need to do nothing. Moment you enter your potassium, the software will calculate, moment you enter your diet, what you are consuming, the software will calculate the entire potassium consumption. And if your daily potassium consumption is high, automatically it will show red. For example, in one given date, my potassium intake was 5,611. So it has shown red, that is, it is high. Now, how to know which one is high, which one is low, which one is moderate for you? For that,
mm,
from our end, we need to feed the data how much potassium is allowed for you. So let me explain everything in very simplistic way. Later on, I'll go in deep dive. Now, first you need to understand what are the different bars is present in this software and what are the functionalities of different bar. Now look at this. Look at this one. Everywhere there is a one question mark. Whenever you take the arrow to the question mark, so momently there is a pop-up window, and this pop-up window will explain what does these specific menu item means. For example, your daily dietary potassium intake, it is written here. As because there is a question mark, if you take the cursor there, it is mentioning that you need to put all the food you took in to calculate your exact potassium intake per day. That means if you want to know your daily potassium intake in a given day, you need to enter the every food item you took on that day or you consume on that day, so that the software can calculate accurately. So this is giving you a caution. For example, you have taken in the morning some food, in the afternoon some food, in the lunch something, in dinner something, and you have entered only one data, then obviously this report will be not correct. You understood my point? So it is mentioning that to know how much potassium you consume in a given day, please enter every food. I think it is clear.
Yeah.
Now your current potassium allowance. Potassium allowance means how much potassium is allowed for you to take in a given day. Okay. So if you bring the cursor here, immediately a pop-up will open up, and this pop-up is explaining that the potassium allowance, that means how much potassium you will take in a given day, it is subject to change time to time. For example, for you are taking one medicine, which medicine causes hyperkalemia. For example, ACE inhibitor, ARB, these are the medicine which causes potassium to go up. Now, for your potassium being higher, doctor has stopped this medicine. So obviously your potassium allowance will change. Okay. So this part is a clinical part. This part we doctors, nutritionists will calculate. For example, my potassium allowance has been selected in a certain level. I'm coming to that. Now, it is recommended for anybody who is using this tool, please contact with us or contact with our nutritionist to know exactly how much potassium is safely allowed for you. For example, those who are suffering from hypokalemia, their potassium is low, they require high potassium. Now, once the hypokalemia is corrected, they require some normal potassium. So it is subject to change. We recommend at least those who have a normal potassium to contact our dietitians. How you should contact, I'll come through. I'll give you a live demo regarding that, how to contact, how to send all the data to our dietitians so that they can understand. So that you can contact our dietitian so that they can fix up this much is potassium allowed for you. And in that given amount, whether your intake is wrong or right, or your intake is going high above the allowed level, that will be highlighted here by the color code. If it is red, that means your potassium allowance is high. For example, look at here. In 11th January 2021, as per my calculation, my allowance was 1500 and I have consumed 5600. So it has came red. So it is giving an alert. Red means your potassium consumption is higher than whatever you have taken. Is it clear? But on 15 January, my allowance was 1500, but my intake was 206. Obviously, I have not entered. This is just a demo. So this is indicating that my intake is safe zone. I have not taken too much of potassium. Okay, so this is the thing. And in the right-hand corner, you will see
green color.
This green color, that means it is safe. In the right-hand corner, you will see a graph. This graph means this graph will represent you graphically how much potassium you're taking in day to day, in every day. So maybe in a 1 month, 2 months time, it will show you what is your potassium intake. It is a graphical representation for better visual impression that whether you are consuming high, you are consuming low, or your consumption is okay, right? Did you understood the meaning of these two part of this dashboard? Now,
yes,
this is the most important part.
But the graph is not clear. Graph is not clear, sir.
Which one?
Graph one.
No, graph is very simple. Whatever you are consuming here, it is representing the same thing in a graphical pattern. So now coming to the second part, this is the area where you can check the trend of your blood potassium level. এটার জন্য কি করতে হবে আমাদের এখানে যে ইনসার্ট ইওর রিপোর্ট বলে একটা জায়গা আছে দেখুন এন্টার ইওর লেটেস্ট ব্লাড পটাশিয়াম লেভেল রিপোর্ট মানে এটা তো মনে থাকে না যে গত মাসে কত ছিল তার আগের মাসে কত ছিল 15 দিন আগে কত ছিল আমরা সবসময় ভুলে যাই বুঝতে পারছেন বা সবসময় ফাইল ক্যারি করি না আপনি ব্লাড পটাশিয়াম টেস্ট করার পর সঙ্গে সঙ্গে যদি এখানে কোনো একটা রিপোর্ট ইনসার্ট করে দিন, ধরা যাক আমি একটা ডেমো আমার নিজের রিপোর্ট আজকে ধরুন এন্টার করছি, আজকে 20 তারিখ, ধরুন আমার পটাশিয়াম রিপোর্ট 4.5, আমি এটা এন্টার করলাম, ঠিক আছে? যেই এটা আমি সেভ করে দেবো, সঙ্গে সঙ্গে আমার এইখানে রিপোর্টে এখানে দেখাবে, দেখুন জানুয়ারি 18, এখানে জানুয়ারি 20-তে, মানে এই যে ওয়েডনেসডে 20 জানুয়ারি আমার পটাশিয়াম লেভেল কিন্তু 4.5 এখানে এন্ট্রি হয়ে গেল, বুঝতে পারছেন? তো এই যে ড্যাশবোর্ডটা রয়েছে, এই ড্যাশবোর্ডটাতে আপনি আপনার সিরিয়াল পটাশিয়াম রিপোর্ট দেখতে পাবেন, এবং এই রিপোর্টটারই একটা রিফ্লেকশন আমাদের এখানে মানে এই গ্রাফিক্যালি প্রেজেন্ট করা হচ্ছে, যাতে গ্রাফে আপনি দেখতে পান যে পটাশিয়ামটা বাড়ছে কমছে না করছে এরকম, বুঝতে পারছেন? So whatever here in table, that is represented in the graph for easier visual understanding, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে এখানে আপনি ডেইলি পটাশিয়াম কনজাম্পশনটা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন, এখানে আপনি দেখতে পাচ্ছেন যে হাউ মাচ পটাশিয়াম ইউ আর কনজিউমিং, ঠিক আছে? মানে কতটা আপনার ব্লাড পটাশিয়াম লেভেল কি আছে। আর একদম তলায় এখানে দেখুন 1500 মিলিগ্রাম পার ডে ক্যালকুলেটেড অন সানডে 27 ডিসেম্বর, তার মানে এটা হচ্ছে আপনার টোটাল পটাশিয়াম অ্যালাওয়েন্স কবে আমরা ক্যালকুলেট করেছি সেই ডেটটা শো করে দিচ্ছে। ধরা যাক 27 ডিসেম্বর we have calculated based on your report and everything, they have finalized that আমার 1500 মিলিগ্রাম পার ডে is the optimum, so it will automatically show। আর এখানে আরোটায় হাত দিলে এখানে ওরা আবার শো করে দিচ্ছে যে potassium allowance is subject to change time to time, so it is recommended once you test, contact with us, contact with our dietitian, they will finalize how much potassium you should take, it will automatically reflect to your dashboard, বুঝা গেল? তাহলে এই হচ্ছে ড্যাশবোর্ড। আছে এইবার এই ড্যাশবোর্ডের একদম উপরে যদি চলে যান, দেখুন এখানে একটা বেল সাইন রয়েছে, দেয়ার ইজ এ বেল, তার উপরে 0 লেখা আছে। আমার এখানে শো করছে হ্যালো প্রতিম সেনগুপ্ত, মানে আমি জয়েন করেছি তাই এখানে আমার নামটা শো করছে। এখানে জগন্নাথ বাবু এলে দেখাবেন হ্যালো জগন্নাথ সুর, প্রদ্যুৎ বাবু এলে হ্যালো প্রদ্যুৎ বাবু, এরকম ভাবে দেখাবেন, ঠিক আছে? ইউর নেম, ইট উইল ওয়েলকাম ইউ। Now this is the area where if you find any notification, that is 1 2 3, any notification come from our end, you will get a number here that indicates that you have some notification present for you. For example, আমি এখান থেকে আপনাকে লিখলাম যে প্রদ্যুৎ বাবু আপনার পটাশিয়াম ইনটেকটা কিন্তু বেশি হয়েছে, বি কেয়ারফুল। এখানে আপনি দেখতে পাবেন যে এখানে একটা 1 নোটিফিকেশন ক্লিক করলে আপনার এই নোটিফিকেশনটা খুলে যাবে, বুঝতে পারলেন? দিস ইজ এ কমিউনিকেশন এন্ড। আপনি আমায় যদি কোনো কোশ্চেন করেন বা আমরা যদি কোনো রিপ্লাই করি, সেটা আপনি এখানটায় দেখতে পাবেন, বুঝা গেল? ওকে, so there are a lot of non-Bengali speaking people. For them I am just repeating what I have mentioned in English so that everybody can understand. So this is a notification center. Here any queries you have posted, and if you reply, you will get the notification here. And this column is showing your daily potassium intake. The question mark, if you take the cursor here, one pop-up window will open and it will explain. It is self-explanatory what this part of the menu bar is mentioned for. What is this menu bar is doing exactly? So for example, this is mentioning for knowing daily potassium intake, you need to enter all the data of the potassium. Here it is indicating that for calculating your daily potassium allowance, it is beyond to change time to time. So we are changing that. So do not every month or maybe any 15 days, you can post us to know exactly how much potassium you require. So this is the summary of your daily potassium intake. Green means it is your potassium intake is safe zone. Here the color code is given. Yellow means it is in the moderate zone, and red means your consumption is high. Okay, so you have to be very careful. Your consumption is reflected here in a graphical plot for easier understanding. And in the second part, you have a potassium summary. Moment you enter your any blood report, it will represent it here as a table and here as a chart to understand how your potassium level is hovering around. Okay, so this will give you, this will remind you whether your potassium is low or high or whatever. You will get all the data here. And if any of your potassium intake is beyond a potassium report is abnormal, then it will automatically shoot an alert to you, okay? And also alert to us. So this is the beauty of entering your data. If any potassium level is abnormal, abnormally high, abnormally low, it will immediately inform our end that Mr. X or Mr. Y has entered a potassium level which is dangerously high or dangerously low. Please take some action. So we'll get immediate notification from our end. Okay. So this is what has been done. And here is the potassium. Now after the dashboard, I'm going to the next column. This is know the potassium content of common foods. Okay. Know the potassium content of common food. Click the button. This window will open. And this window is showing that this is your daily allowance. That is your daily allowance is 500 milligram. It is fixed here. Now, in the second part, you are showing that know the potassium content of common food. So here is a table. It is clearly self-explanatory. Select any food item from the drop-down list below to know the potassium content of the common food. For example, I want to know how much potassium is there in banana. Okay.
Yes.
So let me type BANANA, banana. So moment I type banana, it is asking that, okay, whether you are asking for a green ripe banana or you are asking for the ripe Pubham banana, because there are different types of banana. Okay. Ripe red banana. So for example, we are getting this one, ripe banana. Okay. And you will see there is a report of 360 milligram potassium in 100 grams of a banana. So if one banana, if it is roughly 100 grams in weight, then its potassium will be 360 milligram. Again, the color code red means the potassium content of this food item is high. For example, if I want to check, say, rice. So now, for example, I have kept rice here. So moment I put rice, the result is showing in green color. That is 142 milligram potassium in 100 gram, which means the rice is a low potassium content food. Okay. For example, I have taken here, say any food, say wheat flour. It is showing that 100 gram contains 311 milligram of potassium. That means its potassium is high. Okay. So in this way, whatever food item comes in your mind, you can type here. তো আমরা এখন এখানে যেটা ডেসক্রাইব করছি যে সেখানে প্রত্যেকটা ফুড আইটেমে আমরা কি করে জানবো, ঠিক আছে? এইবার একটা সমস্যা হয় যে স্যার আপনি তো বললেন যে একটা পাকা কলা আমরা যখন খাই, আমরা কলাটা 100 গ্রাম না 200 গ্রাম কি করে বুঝবো, সেটা তো জানি না। আমরা আটা 100 গ্রামে জানলাম যে 311 মিলিগ্রাম পটাশিয়াম আছে, কিন্তু 100 গ্রাম আটা খাচ্ছি কিনা রুটিটা বানাতে কি করে বুঝবো, এটা একটা প্রশ্ন আসে। তো সেটার আমরা একটা সলিউশন করেছি। দেখুন, জাস্ট এই নো ইউর পটাশিয়াম কন্টেন্ট অফ কমন ফুড, তার তলায় নেসেসারি টুলস টু মেজার ভলিউম অ্যান্ড ওয়েট অফ ফুড অ্যান্ড ফুড আইটেম বলে একটা জিনিস দেওয়া রয়েছে, ঠিক আছে? এখানে যদি আপনি ক্লিক করেন তাহলে এ আপনাকে একটা উইন্ডোতে নিয়ে চলে যাবে। ধরা যাক আমি ক্লিক করলাম। সো ইট ইজ টেকিং ইউ আওয়ার কিডনি কেয়ার সোসাইটিজ ওয়েব পেজ, যেখানে মিসলিনিয়াস কিডনি কেয়ার আইটেম বলে একটা কোড আছে। এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের একটা কিডনি কেয়ার সোসাইটির ওয়েব পেজ, যেখান থেকে আমাদের সমস্ত বইপত্র আপনি অ্যাক্সেস করতে পারেন। আমি দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি এর মধ্যে কি কি রয়েছে। মিসলিনিয়াস কিডনি কেয়ার আইটেম ক্লিক করলে আপনার এখানে দেখুন একটা ডিজিটাল কিচেন ব্যালেন্স। এই ডিজিটাল কিচেন ব্যালেন্সে ক্লিক করলে এটা আপনি আমাজনে চলে যাবেন, ডিজিটাল কিচেন ব্যালেন্সটা আমাজন থেকে আপনি বাই করে নিতে পারেন। তো এইটা হচ্ছে আপনাকে হেল্প করবে। ইট জাস্ট 300 রুপিস দাম, আমাজনে পাওয়া যায়। তো আপনি এই কোথা থেকে এই জিনিসটা পাবেন, মানে কি করে প্রত্যেকটা ফুড আইটেমকে কিচেনে ওয়েট করবেন, সেটা জানতে গেলে আপনাকে জাস্ট এই নেসেসারি টুলস ফর মেজারিং ভলিউম অফ দ্য ওয়েট কিডনি অ্যান্ড ফুড আইটেম এটা ক্লিক করলে ইট উইল টেক ইউ, আমি আবার শো করে দিচ্ছি খুব সিম্পলিস্টিক ওয়েতে, ইট উইল টেক ইউ to Kidney Care Society's web page, miscellaneous kidney care item. Click here. Moment you click, you can get a digital balance. আমাদের এখানে ব্লাড প্রেশার মেশিন আছে, স্যাচুরেশন প্রোব আছে, এই সব কিছু আপনারা এখান থেকে অ্যাক্সেস করতে পারেন। সো ফর দি potassium calculation, food item calculation, you need a kitchen balance, which is a digital kitchen balance. You just click it and you can order it. So this is so simple. Okay, is it clear? সুতরাং কোনো একটা ফুড আইটেম সেটা কতটা আমরা দরকার সেটা জানার জন্য কিচেন ব্যালেন্স ইজ এ এসেনশিয়াল টুল। From this website, you can directly book your kitchen balance, which will be delivered to your home within 5 to 7 days. Okay. So this is the one thing. So I think up to this part, everything is clear. Okay. Now the most important part. ধরুন আমরা তো আটা খাই না, বা আমরা শুধুমাত্র ছোলা খাই না, ডাল খাই না, আমরা একটা জিনিস রান্না করে রেসিপি বানিয়ে খাই, তাই তো? দ্য প্রবলেম হচ্ছে ইন্টারনেট থেকে আপনি এই চার্টগুলো হয়তো বের করতে পারবেন, কিন্তু কোনোদিনই কোনো একটা রেসিপি আপনি যেটা খাচ্ছেন সেই রেসিপিটা বানাতে গেলে যে ইনগ্রেডিয়েন্ট গুলো দেওয়ার পর ঠিক তাতে কতটা পটাশিয়াম ঢুকলো, এটা একটা বিগেস্ট চ্যালেঞ্জ হয়ে যায় আমাদের প্রত্যেকটা পেশেন্টের কাছে, বুঝতে পারছেন? ধরা যাক আপনি একটা পটল কারি বানিয়েছেন, পটলের ঝোল বানিয়েছেন। আমরা যখন পটাশিয়াম ক্যালকুলেট করবো, সো লেটস সে পরোয়াল কারি। সো এইটা বানাতে গেলে আমাকে তো জানতে হবে যে এর মধ্যে কি কি দরকার, কতটা পটাশিয়াম গেল। রেসিপি সেগমেন্ট উইল হেল্প ইউ টু ডু দ্যাট। আমরা সারাদিন কি খাই? উই টেক ইন ব্রেকফাস্ট, হ্যাঁ, উই টেক ইন ব্রেকফাস্ট, উই টেক মিড মর্নিং মিল, উই টেক লাঞ্চ, উই টেক ইভিনিং স্ন্যাক্স, উই টেক ডিনার। এবার সাইলেন্ট আপনি একটু ঠান্ডা মাথায় বসে একটা পেপার নিয়ে আপনি ব্রেকফাস্টে কি কি রেসিপি খান, 7 দিন কি খেয়েছেন সেগুলো একটা চার্ট করে ফেলুন। ধরা যাক একটা ডিমের অমলেট খেয়েছেন, 2টো ব্রেড খেয়েছেন, চা খেয়েছেন, বিস্কুট খেয়েছেন। So you make a list of all the items what you have consumed in your breakfast, in your lunch, and then add those recipe in this segment, and it will be a ready reckoner. একবার রেসিপিটা বানাতে হবে, নেক্সট টাইম থেকে যখনই আপনি রেসিপিটা অ্যাড করবেন, it will automatically calculate the potassium content of that. ধরা যাক আপনি ব্রেকফাস্টে রুটি খেয়েছেন, আমাকে একজন জিজ্ঞেস করলেন যে 2টো ব্রেড খাবো, আমি কি করে বানাবো। লেটস সি, ধরা যাক আমি রুটি হচ্ছে আমাদের একটা ব্রেকফাস্টের আইটেম। ওকে, রুটি বানাতে কি লাগে? উই নিড হুইট, আটা লাগে, তাই তো? একটা রুটি বানাতে কতটা আটা লাগে? ধরা যাক 50 গ্রাম। আমি 50 গ্রাম অ্যাড করলাম, এটাকে আমি অ্যাড করে দিলাম, ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা, রুটিতে আটা দিয়ে যখন আমরা রুটি বানাই, তার মধ্যে আর কোনো ইনগ্রেডিয়েন্ট দরকার কি? অ্যান্সার ইজ নো। ইউজুয়ালি খালি হয়তো একটু জল দিয়ে আটাটা মাখতে হয়, জলের মধ্যে কোনো পটাশিয়াম থাকে না, সুতরাং এটা কোনো দরকার নেই, ঠিক আছে? সো এইটা হয়ে গেল। এইবার আমি যদি ক্যালকুলেট করি, তাহলে ইট উইল শো মি, সরি এখানে এই একটা বাটন ফাঁকা আছে, ওটাকে একটু ডিলিট করে দিতে হবে। তাহলে আমরা যদি রুটি বানানোর জন্য আমরা আটা দিয়েছি, 50 গ্রাম আটার একটা রুটি বানানো, আমি যেই ক্যালকুলেট করলাম, it will immediately show the potassium content in one roti of 50 gram atta is 155 milligram, ঠিক আছে? And the color is yellow, means the potassium content is moderate. Okay, তো আমি এই রেসিপিটা, আমার রুটি দিয়ে তো রোজই সকালে ব্রেকফাস্ট খাবো, রেসিপিটাকে আমি সেভ করে দিলাম, ক্লিক টু সেভ। যে এটা সেভ করে দিলাম, ইট উইল বি রিমেইন ইন মাই সেভড রেসিপি। দেখুন এখানে সেভ রেসিপিতে রুটি, আমি আগে একটা অমলেট বানিয়েছিলাম, অমলেটটা আমি ডিলিট করে দিচ্ছি, জাস্ট আপনাদের সুবিধার জন্য একদম নতুন করে একটা জিনিস বানাচ্ছি, ঠিক আছে? তো রুটি হয়ে গেল। এবার রুটির সাথে আমরা কি খাই? রুটির সাথে ধরা যাক আমরা একটা ভেজিটেবল সবজি, তাহলে ধরা যাক ভেজিটেবল কারি, ঠিক আছে? ভেজ কারি। আচ্ছা, কিসের সবজি খেয়েছেন বলুন? এনিবডি ক্যান সাজেস্ট। ধরা যাক পটলের সবজি, ঠিক আছে? সো পারওয়ার, দ্যাট ইজ পটল। আপনি এক বাটি সবজিতে কত খাবেন? 50 গ্রাম পটল ধরা যাক, ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা, এবার পটলের সবজি তো শুধু পটল দিয়ে হয় না, তার মধ্যে একটু আলুও দরকার হতে পারে, আলু পটলের সবজি খেয়েছেন ধরা যাক। সো পটাটো, ঠিক আছে? ধরা যাক 50 গ্রাম পটাটো দিয়েছি, ওকে, অ্যাড করলাম। এইবার কি তার মধ্যে একটু নুন, একটু হলুদ লাগবে, তাই তো? ফর ওয়ান ভেজ কারি উই রিকোয়ার্স মাল্টিপল ইনগ্রেডিয়েন্টস, সো উই আর অ্যাডিং ওয়ান আফটার ওয়ান। ফর এক্সাম্পল, উই আর মেকিং এ পারওয়ার অ্যান্ড পটেটো ভেজ কারি। লেটস মেক দ্য নেম পারওয়ার potato veg curry, okay?
Yeah.
So iska ingredient is parwar, potato, turmeric, maybe we may require slightly salt, okay? Just add the plus, so one item will require, one item will come immediately. Say salt, hardly say 2 grams, okay? So I hope, and along with that you may require some oil, obviously for cooking any item you may require some oil, say 20 or 25 ml of oil is required, okay? So who is cooking, your wife or anybody there knows very well how much oil is required, how much salt is required, how much turmeric powder is required, whatever. Cumin seed, jeera, how much? Say 10 gram.
Yeah.
Okay. So these are the item which is required for your parwar potato veg curry. So moment to click on calculate, it will calculate the entire item. Just a minute. So let's put the calculate. So immediately it will calculate the amount, that is the potassium content in milligram in 755 milligram in the parwar potato veg curry, where these are the ingredient in this much amount is needed. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So like this way you can prepare and now save it. So once you save it, in your recipe item, roti and parwar veg curry is saved. So you need not to require these to prepare daily. One day you take time, whatever food item your wife is cooking for you, sit with her, calculate the amount or calculate the ingredients. I mean, note down the ingredients and note down the amounts, and in each recipe code, building the recipe, you just prepare it. In this way, you can manage 100 n numbers of recipe, whatever you want. So moment it is prepared, it is set. After this adding recipes, for example, like this, you can add n number of recipes. For example, let me prepare, we have did the potato vegetable curry. Let me add another recipe. Okay. So this is my breakfast. For my lunch, say I want to prepare a dal. Okay. So dal liquor, say lentil. It is just a demo, So for preparation of dal, I need lentils, say 25 gram lentils. I need some turmeric powder.
5 gram.
5 grams. Okay. Say I need some oil. Say 15 ml or 15 ml, say. Okay.
15 ml. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Say what else is needed? Obviously, some salt is needed.
Salt.
Maybe 1 gram. Very minimal salt is required because we
yes, 1 gram.
Pepper. Yeah. So anything more is needed for dal?
No, it's all right.
It's all right. Okay. So let's calculate. So it is showing this much is the potassium content in this dal. Okay. So let's save it. So another recipe dal is prepared. Okay. Say for example, likewise, I want a fish curry. Okay. So what is needed? We need fish. Say vetki fish. Just for a demo.
Yeah.
Say 100 gram. So we need turmeric powder. Say 10 grams. Okay, whatever. This is just a demo. I'm just showing it. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Oil. We need oil. So it is best done by your wife who cooks at your kitchen. Okay.
20 ml.
Okay. So let's say some amount of salt is needed. Okay. Say 1 gram.
Okay, sir.
So
one chili. Green chili 1.
Oh, green chili. Okay, you want green chili to add. Okay. So let's add green chili. Just a minute. I think it is in the chili green as I had. Chili is green chili. Okay. How much? 5 grams? 1 green chili, how much? 5 grams? Let's calculate. So it is showing that this much is potassium is needed. Okay. This means potassium is in this recipe. Whatever ingredient you have added, whatever amount you have added. So this to prepare this fish curry, this much is potassium content. So vetki fish curry, one of the very tasty item. So this much. Click to save. Okay. What else? Let's you like chicken. So why I'm doing this? This is just an exercise, just showing a demo. So I need chicken. Sorry, skinless chicken breast. Say 100 grams. Okay. Similarly, the masalas are all these things. Turmeric powder. Say 10 grams. Okay. Please don't get bored. Just be with me for the some time. I'll show you a lot of interest.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. All right, sir.
Say we need ginger. Okay. Maybe 5 grams.
Yes.
We need onion.
Yes.
So everything is there. Whatever item you need, it is there. You just need to mention the correct amount, and your wife can guide you. And if you have the balance, obviously you may require some salt. Okay. Say 1 gram salt is required. Now you put calculate. So this much is the potassium. Click to save. So your chicken curry, bhetki mach, fish, everything is ready. Okay. And for example, you need rice. Obviously, rice is rice. We do not need, say, brown rice. If you're eating, say, you take 75 gram brown rice, just add it. Okay. Okay. So majority of the items are ready. Say you prefer egg omelette. Okay. I'm just preparing on demo recipe so that it becomes very easy in the next time when I prepare my whatever food item I'm getting. Okay. So it needed a hen egg, poultry egg. Okay. Roughly egg is 70 grams in weight. We all know that. We need some turmeric powder for an omelette to make. Okay. Say 10 grams. Okay. It's very easy. Very easy. Moment you use, it becomes so easy. You need some salt. Okay.
1 gram.
Say 1 gram. Okay. And I think I recommend everybody to play with this. And obviously,
10
omelette
gram
cannot be done
onion.
without oil. A 15 ml oil is required. Okay. Now calculate. So this much is potassium content. Click to save. Okay. So your recipe, roti is ready, parwal bhejal curry is ready, dal curry, fish, chicken, rice, omelette, everything is ready. Okay. So this is add and edit recipe. So for example, you have made an omelette. Tomorrow you want to eat a masala omelette. So do you need to prepare it again? No. You go here, edit, enter the omelette is ready, name it as masala omelette. Okay. And what do you want? You want some vegetable pieces to be added, say some piece of potato. Okay. So brown skin potato, say 25 grams you want to add it and calculate. So the potassium content slightly go up and you can save it. Okay. So that's it. So in this way, you can add your recipe. So it is a masala omelette now. Okay. So moment this is done, you with these recipes, say if you have 25 mind-blowing recipes you love to eat, to prepare those things. Okay. And later on, the third tab, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4th tab, here is the important thing where you can track your daily potassium intake. So it is my daily dietary potassium intake tracker. Click it. So it will open a new window. Now in this new window, what is adding? Add potassium content of prefix recipe. That means whatever recipe you have fixed, you want to add it. So for example, in the breakfast, in the morning breakfast, you have taken, say you are adding the morning breakfast. So go for the breakfast. Say you have taken roti. How many pieces? Quantity, they are mentioning quantity. Say you have taken 2. Okay. Calculate. Click to save. So roti is saved. It is casting okay. So आपने 2 रोटी लिया, वो ऐड हो गया. Then रोटी का साथ क्या लिया आपने? आपने रोटी का साथ ब्रेकफास्ट में से परवर की करी लिया है. Because this is saved. So परवर potato veg curry. 1 bowl. Calculate and click to save. It is gone. It is added. Okay. So in this way, in your entire breakfast today, if you check it, you have taken 2 roti, you have taken 2 parwar. This is the total amount of potassium is added. So, And these are the two items which I was added earlier because I was, say for example, you have taken 1 cup of tea along with this, which has not saved as a recipe. So what you need to do, you need to come to the potassium content of other food item which is not being saved. Come here. So it is in the breakfast. Say you have taken a cup of tea. So mention tea, black tea. We all know it is 70 ml in a 1 cup. So 70 ml. Just add. So it is added. And along with tea, possibly say you have taken a Mary biscuit. Okay. Marigold biscuit, say you have taken 2. Okay. Now calculate. So this much is your potassium, your total potassium content, whatever you have taken today. Okay. So you just save. It will add to your daily potassium intake summary. Now, if we go to your dashboard to check how much you have taken, because in the morning I've said in the earlier section I've explained. Look, Wednesday, 20th January, already your potassium consumption is 1,154. Your allowance is 2,000. So in the morning breakfast, if you check your calculator, and if it is already half of your daily allowance, so you can be careful about what you should take in the lunch, what you take in the evening, what to take in the dinner. You understood my point?
Yes.
So in this way, you can track your daily dietary potassium intake. So daily dietary potassium intake tracker is a beautiful tool by which from prefix recipe or any food item you are consuming, you can calculate how much potassium you are consuming. Now coming to the next component, that is view reports. View reports means this is the area where you can see, I have already shown it in the dashboard, but this is another area. If you want to check your potassium, you can see, because this report is updating. This view report segment is updating. Here we have just uploaded potassium. Very soon we are bringing here all the other facilities. For diabetic, they can check their sugar. For CKD patient, they can check their creatinine. For patient who are suffering from any other problem, vitamin D deficiency, you can check your vitamin D, you can check your iron, you can check your hemoglobin. Everything will be available here. So views report segment is under development. So far, we have just updated the potassium calculation and the potassium calculator tool, only the potassium calculation report. But this area will be a snapshot area where you can go through your entire blood report chemistry summary here. This is for you. Often we forget. क्या हुआ था मेरा 2 महीने पहले, क्रिएटिन कैसा है, शुगर कैसा है, पोटेशियम कैसा है, सारे की सारे रिपोर्ट समरी आपको इधर मिल जाएगा. So this is the thing we are coming. Now coming to the most important segment, that is the learning video segment. Learning video segment, moment you have access to this tool or you have subscribed for this tool, because once you access this tool, we keep the tool 7 days for the free so that you can understand the uses and everything. After 7 days, they will ask for a 499 rupees annual fees for the subscription. Why it is important? Moment you are subscribed, all the educational content which are developing for the patient education and all this stuff, they all will be available here. For example, here, how to check potassium content in any food in this calculator. This demo video is already uploaded here. Painkillers, hepatitis or liver, how these things are bad, everything is uploaded here. So if you want to know about dialysis, this is mentioned here. So how to check your kidney function, these are all uploaded here. So there are n numbers of video. We have tons of educative videos are being populated. We are preparing those things. Just if you have a subscription in this knowledge corner, learning video section will be a tremendous boon to all my patients, those who have subscribed for this, because there are a lot of things you need to know, because in Art of Living in Diabetes, we are giving you so many informations. Beyond that, there are so many things are there. We are trying to give access to all this educative content here. Okay. Now coming to the knowledge corner. The knowledge corner is our ebook section. Here, multiple ebooks are available, but here, as because you are all the subscription of the potassium, so there are the 4 ebooks are given here, absolutely free. You all can download. Those who have a subscription, they all can download these 4 ebooks. This one ebooks, it is for hypokalemia. Then there is another ebook for hyperkalemia. Then there is another ebook where we have mentioned 25 fantastic potassium, low potassium recipe, which are very tasty. You can cook at your home. What ingredient, how much to be added to make a very tasty low potassium recipe. This is a recipe book. Okay, this is an excellent book. You can go through it. Acha. Now this is a overview of the potassium for a lot of people who cannot those who have a problem in reading in English. We have published it in Bengali also, so that because the purpose of this publication of these books are so that every knowledge should reach to everyone. Even my nanny, my 60 years old nanny must be able to read these books. Henceforth, we have made it in Bengali also, where you can go through and learn about potassium, what are the dangers of potassium, everything here. Another ebook is there, which is showing in English that potassium is a double-edged sword. So these all ebooks are given to you free, just in the single subscription. You will get all these things. So this is my humble request. Those who have not subscribed, please subscribe it. Because the benefit you are getting from here is marvelous. Now I'm coming to the most important part of this subscription. This is contact us. So contact us is the section. Somebody asked me, doctor, this is my EGFR. What should be my potassium content? You need not to call me. You need not to call anybody, because telephone is a real menace. Handling telephone is very difficult. It is often a common complaint of everybody who is under my care. Sir, your appointment manager is not available on phone, nutritionist ko phone e pawa jacche na, ei kora jacche na. So the telephone is a problem because it is so many phones, so many things are coming. So we have solved it like this. You click the contact us. So moment you contact us, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 button will open. The first button is appointment related query. Second one, clinical and transplant related queries. Third one, nutrition related queries. Then yoga and exercise, technical queries, and miscellaneous queries. So if you have anything in your mind, you want to know anything about me. For example, you want to learn something about you want my appointment. So you click here. So momently there will be one window will open. You type this here, I am your patient, I want an appointment. Post it. Immediately it will come to my dashboard. And I have an appointment manager. He has access to the appointment manager. He will see that, okay, Mr. Say Jagannath Sur is asking for one appointment. He will immediately call you back. So you need not to follow. We will follow. You just post the query here. My team will follow you up. You have a query related to your clinical problem. You just post the query, and here you can upload your reports also. This is a fantastic thing. A lot of time it happens that you have a one report you want to show me. How to show it? You used to send it in the WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp has a no standardized system to keep all this record uploaded. Often the WhatsApp the phone hangs, their phone become loaded with their memory is exhausted. So often these reports are missed. But here is the opportunity. You can upload the file, take a snap and upload the file, choose the file. And the report will be delivered to me. And if you have any query regarding that report, you can type it. It will automatically come to my dashboard. And every day morning, I am checking my dashboard to see any queries from anybody is coming, and I'm replying those things. It makes my job much easier because it is impossible to receive phone 24/7. Otherwise, I can't concentrate in my work. So I have designed this system. You can reach to me anytime through this contact us section. You post your query, you post your report, and every day morning by 24 hours, I'll reply because I'm seeing all these reports. So if you're a query regarding nutrition, somebody was asking that my EGFR is like that, how much potassium I will take? You just post the query here. My team, my nutrition team will get back to you that this much is potassium allowance for you, and they will automatically set in your system so that moment you take your food, the potassium content will be ready. There should not be any overshoot of the potassium up here. So this is the communication system by which you can communicate, because WhatsApp, telephone, text message, it has no evidence that you have sent me. It is very difficult to track, because phone is now menace to the doctors. We are so many telephones are coming to us during the prime time when I'm consulting one patient, I'm doing on transplant surgery. If any phone comes, then it's very difficult. It will deviate my attention. It's difficult to deliver for the right job we are doing. So henceforth, I have designed this system. You post your query. Every day morning, I reply all the queries. I check my dashboard and I reply all the queries. So Dilshad madam just asked me how much leaching helps. You just post it here. By tomorrow morning, you will get the reply. Okay. So that's the way. That's the thing we should do. Regarding yoga and exercise, a lot of people are joining in the Mukti. If you have any query, you can ask. Any miscellaneous query, those who are participating in the art of living in the diabetes, they can post any queries here. The query will come. So this is the thing. So moment I reply the query, in your notification window, in the dashboard, there is a one bell. You will find a 1, 2, 3, whatever. If I answer, you have 3 query I've answered, you will get a number here. And moment you click here, you will get the response. Okay. So this is the thing. Now, in the down at the left and down part of your corner, you can see there is a one blinking. Dr. Pratt is sitting there. This is a 4x7 chat box. Dr. Pratt. You just click here. So Dr. Pratt is asking what's your name. Okay. So it's a personalized contact. Say my name is Pratt. I am Pratt. So I'm chatting with myself. So he will ask me, please enter your mobile number. Let me enter my mobile number. So moment this is okay. So let me ask that, okay, I want to know the potassium content of my food. So let's confirm. Then it will take to a segment where all this potassium content is present. So it will take me to those segment where I can check the potassium content of any food. Okay. So in this way, this chat bot will help you to explore everything, every queries, whatever is coming in your mind. This chatbot is being updated and it will have a lot of facilities in upcoming days. As because the entire software is the beta version. So I'll recommend everyone, those who have not still subscribed, please subscribe and take the advantage. Moment it is ready, then it will have a lot of functionalities and obviously, acha. Now, one question may come to your mind that, okay, in day-to-day affairs, how I should use it. My suggestion would be, you please sit with a quiet mind, prepare the number of the food items you love, number of the recipes you love, and note down what are the ingredients is required to prepare that recipes. And in the add recipe section, you add all these recipes. Moment these recipes are added, and you can calculate your potassium, and as per your daily allowance, which from our end we'll fix it up, you can check whether your potassium consumption is high or low. Okay. You can take the average, but you can do accurate calculation. I'm coming to that, how you should do it. Okay. Just a minute. Say, for example, in your family, there are the 2 person or 3 persons, and you have a common cooking. Okay. So for common cooking, say you have prepared a 1 कटोरी of dal जो 2 आदमी बांट के खाते हो, ठीक है? तो इसमें क्या है, 200 ml dal जो आपने बनाया, you have made that recipe. The 200 ml dal means this much. Now in add recipe segment, the number where you can add 1 roti, 2 roti, 3 roti, 4 roti, there you can add 100 ml, 200 ml dals. So whatever dal you will add as per the volume you are eating or volume you are consuming, it will calculate the amount for you. That's it. Just apply your common sense. It will work for you. Okay. We are working in that area where the in sliding proportion will be added very soon. And we are working in that because it is a developmentally a bit complex technical development work where we can have a sliding proportion. For example, say my daily dietary potassium tracker. When we click that thing, so in that area, when I would add potassium prefix recipe here, say for example in the breakfast, I have added roti. Okay. So now we are adding 1, 2. Quantity here 1 or 2. Now what we'll do, we'll prepare a slider here. The work is going on. This slider will help you how much dal you are consuming, 20 ml, 30 ml, 50 ml, 1 roti, 2 roti, 3 roti, like this, 1.5 roti. You understand my point? So
Yeah,
moment
yeah.
you fix it up, the slider, as you fix it up, it will automatically calculate that amount. So it design and technical
Yes, yes,
development wise, coding wise, it is a bit complex. My development team is working. Moment it will be ready, then it will be much more easier. It will solve your all problems. What Mr. Misra has asked, okay, 2 members, we have prepared the food like this, how to calculate. This is the way by which you can calculate. As of now, you just add the volume. For example, if you want to add dal, you know that the dal, what you have prepared with the item, what you have mentioned, that mention maybe you have prepared 50 grams of dal for 3 person. Now, if you divide it, the one entire dal or half of the dal or two calories of the dal, then automatically it will be calculated for you. No, potassium low hole কোনো problem নেই, because majority of the time the hyperkalemia is dangerous. Hypokalemia is very easily manageable. Okay, very good question. Very good question. মানে you can ask me যে ডক্টর সাহেব আমার তো একটু 200 কম হলো 300 কম হলো তাতে কি ক্ষতি হলো? Low থাকলে not a problem. Low can be managed
Not a
anytime.
problem.
But high potassium is dangerous. High potassium is dangerous. যেটা suddenly আমাদের হার্ট অ্যাটাক করে, suddenly আমাদের হার্টের রিদমের প্রবলেম করে। সেই কারণে এই রেড অ্যালার্ট দেওয়া আছে যদি হাই এর জন্য, লো হলে we are always there. আপনি একটা পটপুর সিরাপ খেলে পরের দিন পটাশিয়াম উঠে যাবে। ঠিক আছে?
ওকে ওকে স্যার, ওকে।
আচ্ছা, আমার একটা কোয়েরি আছে, আরেকটা কোয়েশ্চেন প্লিজ। সেটা হচ্ছে আমার তো দেওয়া আছে 4.5 আমি পাঠিয়েছিলাম, কিন্তু সেটা আমার ছিল যে আমি যে টেলিসার্টান 40 খেতাম, কিন্তু আমার যেহেতু এসিআরটা বেশি, উনি টেলিসার্টান কাল থেকে 80 করে দিয়েছেন, তাহলে আমার কি তাহলে পটাশিয়াম মানে কনজাম্পশন এটা কমিয়ে দিতে হবে?
এটাই তো বলছি, এই যে আপনার চেঞ্জটা হলো, go to the contactor section and post it.
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা,
moment you post it, it is my responsibility to answer how much potassium should you take. Okay, বুঝতে পারছেন? আপনার এই ব্যাপারটাকে আমরা তো সলভ করে দিয়েছি by this.
আচ্ছা,
You go to the contact us.
Okay.
You go to the contact us. This is a clinical query. You post to the clinical query. You write down, sir, my Elma dose is increased to 80.
আচ্ছা,
ঠিক আছে?
Okay.
What I should do regarding potassium care?
Okay.
So moment you submit it,
Okay.
the question will hit to my dashboard.
Okay.
And every day morning as I'm checking, I'll reply you. That's it.
Thank you so much.
It is organizing thousands of queries. By this, it is easy and possible for me to answer thousands of queries, because WhatsApp, telephone, SMS is becoming really impossible for me to handle. Okay, so many phones, so many things. I can't concentrate in my work. Okay, but obviously you need my support, and this is a system by which you can do it. Is it okay? Is it fantastic?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Really fantastic, sir.
Yes, it is fantastic.
Okay, so the point is, very soon we are coming with so many features in this app. So those who have not subscribed, I'm requesting you, please subscribe it. Please subscribe it. It will be mind blowing. So many things we are adding. I'm not disclosing this right now. This will be a when I launch you, it will be a surprise gift to everybody, every of my patients. Please subscribe this program. This is one of the program by which I think I can help thousands of patients the best way I can do. Okay. Any fried food, what happens? It converts the fat to the trans and it increases the cholesterol load in our heart. So it is always better to go for non-fried food as much as you can. However, there are some food items which are necessary to fry. In that case, if it is needed, baking is much better than frying. Okay, so these are the things you can add. So you can post any query. We are ready to answer your all questions. The potassium content এখানে আমাদের যেগুলো আমরা এই সফটওয়্যারে অ্যাড করেছি, these are as per the National Institute of Hyderabad, NIH. They have published the nutritive value of Indian foods is a one text which has been recommended by the National Institute of Nutrition from Hyderabad. So all the data has been validated from their research data. Henceforth, you can jolly well accept these data are all correct. There is no doubt about it, because we have updated all this data from the NIH database. Okay, National Institute of Nutrition Hyderabad database. Good night, everybody. Good night.